medical software company in Uniontown is challenging and rewarding its employees for doing acts of kindness during this pandemic.
Yeah, the owner of the company is putting his money where his mouth is. Bob Jones reports he hopes other businesses will follow.
Like many companies, the coronavirus crisis has impacted new innovations, an internet and software supplier for the medical industry.
Right now, the hospitals are not allowing us on campus.
But owner Steve Reed still feels blessed. The office is quiet, but employees can work from home, and many of them are accepting his challenge to do good deeds for those in need. Steve got the idea a few weeks back after buying groceries for his church and some neighbors.
It feels wonderful giving. It's not the receiving, it's the giving of things. And how I felt and my family felt personally, I would like other people to feel that.
To motivate his employees further, Steve promised to reimburse them up to $50 for an act of kindness. One worker responded by making medical shields for a local hospital, and Matt Jackson bought groceries and water for his girlfriend's grandparents who are homebound.
Her grandpa had a stroke a few years back, and her grandma has been taking care of him day and night, 24/7 for the last couple years.
Others are donating money to food banks or going shopping for neighbors. With 80 employees, Steve could potentially pay out $4,000, and he's happy to do it.
And then when the stories started coming back in to me, I was very inspired by that.
Steve says some of the employees are turning down the $50 reimbursements, but others are matching, giving their own $50 to do good in the community. Steve is now hoping his community caring initiative spreads all over Northeast Ohio.
I'd like to challenge other companies so maybe we can get one to many and try to help a lot more people, not just from our own company, but let's make this larger.
And Matt says helping others makes a huge difference, with so many feeling a lack of control.
If I have one message, probably just little small acts are kind of going to be what gets us all through this, I think. It doesn't have to be something grand.
In Green, Bob Jones, News 5.